Ladies and gentlemen, coming after Thanksgiving and before Christmas, it's the Rob Corley Show. Tonight, from Sesame Street, Big Bird and story time. And now, still trying to get into the holiday spirit, it's Rob Corley. Hello everybody, hello, hi there, hello to you, and hello to you. Thank you very much everybody. Welcome to the Rob Corley Show. Now, I want to address something right now. Before I came out here, I think I saw something in that shot in the camera. Was that a finger that I saw in that shot earlier? Was that one of the camera guy's fingers accidentally getting in the shot and then having to move it out of the way? Yeah, I that's never happened before. That's a first on this show, definitely. Now, okay, now on to the business at hand. I think that we should talk about the holidays. Now, recently we had celebrated Thanksgiving, and if I didn't mention it to you before, I would like to wish you and your family a very happy late Thanksgiving, and hopefully you had enough turkey to eat and you watched enough football and you got to spend enough time with your family. But now we have entered the Christmas time. We're in full swing for Christmas. Now, I think Christmas is alright, you know, but I think there is a problem in America. And the reason that I say there's a problem in America is because people, for some reason, want to celebrate Christmas before Thanksgiving. And now, you thought that was bad. Now, it seems like they want to celebrate Christmas right at Halloween. Like, in October, before Halloween, I saw that there were lots of ads, lots of Christmas things in the stores and stuff, and you got like Halloween costume stuff, and right next to all the Christmas trees and stuff was already out before November, which I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, well, why is all this Christmas stuff out? It's not even November yet. And these stores must really be trying to get these Christmas sales going early. They want people coming in there just to pick up a tree and ornaments and all this stuff long before the actual holiday season kicks into gear, which is right at Thanksgiving. The day after Thanksgiving actually is the day that the Christmas holiday season officially kicks off, or it used to kick off after Thanksgiving. Well, actually, it kicks off at the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade when Santa makes his big first appearance here in the current year that we're living in. So anyway, it's just a confusing thing, because I mean, is it Christmas or is it Thanksgiving? Is it Halloween? It seems like everybody wants to just mash them all together now, and I really don't understand that. Why can't you just have the way it used to be, like one holiday after the other? Like, you have Halloween here, you have Thanksgiving here, and Christmas over here. Why does it have to be Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, all at the same time? I mean, what is the point in that? I mean, there's no fun in that. But anyway, that's not what you came to hear. You came to see a show. You're going to see a show. Now let me tell you who is on the program tonight. You want to know who's on the program? Who's on the program is... Calm yourself, Rob. It's just a show. Come on. You got to do this for the people. You got to entertain the people. You got to tell them what they want to hear. All right. On the show tonight, we have from Sesame Street, Big Bird. Yes, Big Bird. He's a big, tall, yellow, 8-foot some big canary, I think is what they call him. And also we have story time. and I don't know what the story is going to be yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be a surprise. So stick around right there. We're going to take a break, but when we come back, we got Big Bird and we got story time. So keep it locked right there. Welcome back, everybody. Now, as I said before, Big Bird is on the show tonight, and he's going to be doing something. Well, yeah, obviously he's going to be doing something. Wouldn't that be bad if we said somebody was going to be here, Big Bird was going to be here, but he wasn't doing anything, just standing there? That wouldn't be fun, right? Anyway, Big Bird, you know how on Sesame Street they have the letter of the day? Well, Big Bird wanted us to introduce us to a letter or show us about a letter. So tonight we're going to have Big Bird present a letter. As he's going to present a letter of the night. So I'm going to turn it over to Big Bird. He's at his nest now. So let's see. Take it away, Big Bird.
Hi. I was about to check my mailbox. Let's take a look and see if there's anything inside. Look, somebody sent me a letter. It's the letter H. There are 3 things on my shelves that start with this letter. See if you can find them. Click on something that starts with the letter H.
Well, let's see, Big Bird. There is I see a hat somewhere. And the hat is...
to say the names of the things on the shelves out loud.
Yeah.
Find the thing that starts with the letter H.
First one, hat.
There are 2 more things on my shelves that start with the letter H.
Okay.
You can find them.
Yep. Here's another one right here. Horse.
Horse. I see one more thing that starts with the letter H. Click on it.
I do too. It's right here. This is a hippo.
Hippopotamus. Hey, you found all 3 of them. You
Yeah.
sure know your letters.
Yep.
It's nice to get letters, and it's nice to send them too.
Really? Just putting them in the box.
Let's send this present to someone we love.
Okay. Whoa, there it goes. Thank you, Big Bird, for the letter and for the laugh. We got to take a break, folks. We'll be right back. Hey, you came back. I'm so glad. Well, you know, it's story time. And I've just been told that this story is going to be about James and a sheep. Now, James is one of the trains from Thomas and Friends, so he's red, and you know, he often gets into troublesome situations, but can always pull himself through. Now, I would tell this story, but I would rather have our narrator tell the story. So, narrator, I'm going to hand it over to you.
Story time. James needed to bring Farmer McCall's sheep to the fair to have their picture taken for the paper. James had to go through a large, muddy puddle on the way and was worried that he and the sheep would be too dirty for the photograph. The photographer was delighted to take a picture of sheep right from the field and such a hard-working sheepdog and engine. Their picture was on the front page of the Sodor Gazette the very next day.
And it's time for our matching game. See, we got time. We got enough time to do all this stuff. The Beauty and the Beast matching game. There's Cogsworth. Mrs. Potts, no match. There's LeFou. Lumiere, no match. Chip and Gaston, no match. And there they are. Again. Guest on a match. There you go. Nope. Mrs. Potts and Mrs. Potts, a match. Nope. Beast is a match. Nope. Okay, we still have some time here. What else are we gonna do? We have Just the Rhino. So Ruffman, let's see what's going on here.
Kids, I need your help. I'm pet sitting for Fluff the Rhino, who isn't small or a pet.
Oh.
And I have to keep him busy so Blossom doesn't find out.
Uh-oh.
Help me dress up Fluff so he's ready for our adventures.
Okay, well, we'll try.
Which adventure do you want to try?
Since it's winter, let's try the snow adventure.
At the zoo.
Oh, it's the zoo. Oh, okay.
Fluff wants to visit the penguins at the zoo. Cover him in something warm so he doesn't get cold. Tap the material you think Fluff should wear for his adventure. A material is the stuff that things are made of.
Warm.
A property describes how a material looks, feels, smells, sounds, or tastes. Plastic bags are thin and bendy. Tap on Fluff and then color him with the material.
Okay. So we're covering. Not exactly sure how this is going to work. Okay. Not exactly sure how that's going to help, but we'll try it. Testing the plastic bags. Now, what's going to happen here? I don't know. I mean, it's the waiting game, folks.
What do you think will happen when you test this material?
Not exactly sure.
Tap to make it snow. Are plastic bags warm? Tap the button to write down or document what happened.
No, they're not. I didn't even know those were plastic bags.
You found out that plastic bags are not warm. Why do you think that material didn't work?
Oh, it's too thin.
Fluff wants to visit the penguins at the zoo. Cover him in something warm so he doesn't get cold. Tap the material you think Fluff should wear for his adventure. A material is the stuff that things are made of. Tap here to see your chart.
Okay, let's try the feathers
Feathers
this
is one from
time.
a bird's body. Most birds have feathers.
And feathers keep them warm in the winter. So let's cover the rhino with feathers. See, this is the kind of stuff you get into when you don't have when you have plenty of time left in the show and you did everything that was scheduled and you trying to think of other things to do to fill up the time, because you know we got to fill it up with something, because we didn't have anything else planned for tonight.
What do you predict will happen when you test this material? Tap to make it snow.
Ah, that worked.
Are feathers warm? Tap the button to write down or document what happened. You found out that feathers are warm. Nice job testing different materials to see what works.
Yeah, we did good, didn't we? Okay, there's one more thing. It looks like we could test the steel.
That was a fun adventure. You found out that feathers are warm.
Let's see what else you got going on in there, Ruff.
Hamster run.
Alright, let's try that.
Uh-oh, these hamsters can't reach their carrots. Let's build a way for these hamsters to get their food.
Okay.
Tap play to start. Choose a challenge.
And now?
Choose a hamster you want to play with.
Okay.
Pick a hamster, any hamster. Use only the square blocks to help the hamster get the carrot.
Okay. Undo.
Keep tapping undo to take away all your blocks one at a time.
Okay. Let's try this. Oh, man. Undo it. Move this over here. No. Move this over here. Move this. Well, let's see. Oh, that didn't work. Gotta move it just enough. Let's try it now. No, you're going the wrong way. Let's try it again. Why are you going that way? Now let's try it. And he got to the carrot, yes!
Is a masterpiece of design.
It sure is. Thanks, Ruff. Oh, thank goodness we've run out of time. We were running out of things to do here. We were trying to improvise. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Good night.